Take a look at this one here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 1979 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 Sport Coupe. Numbers matching drivetrain, motor and tranny. 350 underneath the hood, 4-speed car. And yes, this one's a true Z28. There is a copy of the build sheet that will go along with this. Original window sticker, original owner's manual, and the other paperwork that you would get at time of delivery. Carmine metallic with the black vinyl standard bucket seats. 2-owner car, and according to previous owners, original miles, a little under 30,000 on this one. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures so you can see this car top to bottom, inside and out, underneath the hood, trunk, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Paint appears to be original. Now, we do have some blemishes here and there, because if you're going to have a car that's 40 plus years old, you're going to have a few things with it. You can see a little touch up right there where there's been a few dings, and I'll kind of point out a few as we go along, but paint does have a nice luster to it, as you can see. Matching Z28 wheels. What a cool look. If you want to know the exact options this came with, again, you can check it out on the window sticker. Also the build sheet, they will be in with the still pictures. Let's go ahead and take a look up and down the passenger side here. Was one spot up here, little lip of the fender, little spot right there. I tell you what, with how original this looks, some of those imperfections really make it, because like I said, the originality, and they're only original ones. A couple real small little spots right along the door, and kind of tough to get them to show up. Those are pretty small. Here's your black vinyl, standard bucket interior, that 4-speed. Kind of cool, era correct Pioneer 8-track player was added to this car. How cool is that? Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we'll assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. We'll come with a car cover in the trunk, as you can see along the wall over there. Check out the rear of this car. Right here is the original selling dealership in Wisconsin, according to the window sticker. That is where this car was delivered to from Chevrolet. Once again, those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. One thing the previous owner and the text did mention, the tack was in op, FYI. Take a look up and down the driver's side again. Just kind of a couple little small. I don't know if I can get them to show up. There you go. And then another one up here a little bit. You can kind of see that. But you can see the reflection in that paint. And again, appears to be original paint. Let's go ahead and take a look at this interior. Of course, the A51 bucket seat code on the cowl tag. And speaking of cowl tag, you'll be able to check that out in the still pictures as well as the VIN plate. Over 100 pictures of this car online. Definitely look it over closely. Good looking car. All right, let's go ahead. I'm going to fire this up. We're going to let you hear it run. We'll check out the engine bay. Now, for moving this one, I do know to pump it just a little bit. A little cold-blooded, but not bad. All right. Fuel gauge. There's fine. So a voltmeter. Now, as you can see, there's where the tack did mention that was in op. Come over here. That was a cold start, obviously, and I don't know with the glare. I don't think I'm going to really be able to get you to see that temp gauge very well, but it's there. There's that Pioneer AM FM 8-track. Of course, the 4-speed manual transmission. Take a look at the dash. What do you know? One that's not cracked from the late 70s, early 80s. Must have been stored inside and well taken care of. All right, let's make sure we're neutral. FYI, take a look at the wear of the seats. What you'd expect. Very little wear at all on that passenger side one. If you look in the still pictures, looks like it's new. Headliner intact, looks good. How many of those do you see falling down after some time? Slip around to the back, and yes, sounds very stock. No crazy cam, crazy exhaust, anything like that. All right, let's slip up to the front, pop this hood, check out that engine bay. We'll wrap up this video.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
And there we go. Hood popped. Power steering, power brakes. There's that 350. Numbers matching. Original engine, original tranny. Smooth running too. Listen to that. Good sounding car. $1979. Chevrolet Camaro Z28, real deal, numbers matching, 2-owner car in carmine metallic. Check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Phone number 507-386-1726. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.